So what is getting here? Principle of inclusion and exclusion concept. Inclusion and exclusion concept. Suppose A and B are two finite set. A, B, two finite set. Okay, two finite set. Then U is called a universal set. You know universal set. Universal set. If A and B are disjoint, then what is the formula? If A and B are disjoint, then what is the formula here? A intersection B equal to empty set. Equal to empty set. That means this is also another notation, empty set. Okay. Disjoint another name. A and B are independent set also. A and B are independent set also. This is a very important one. Therefore, already you know basic formula. What is a basic formula here? N of A union B. What is the formula here? N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. This is a basic formula. A and B are independent meaning this disjoint or independent meaning this overall value is equal to 0. Okay. Then what is the formula? N of A union B equal to N of A plus N of B. This is a basic idea. This is another rotation in the discrete mathematics. N can be written as this idea, the number of A union B. Okay, this is called a cardinality or N of. Okay, this notation is called a order of or number of or cardinality of. Okay, both are same only. Okay, in discrete mathematics using this concept, maybe this is a modulus concept. Not using modulus concept, two line inside the value means number of. Okay, two lines inside the value means number of. Not using modulus. So modulus only consider the maybe negative positive in the algebraic theory, but here using discrete mathematics modulus not using here number of A union B equal to number of A plus number of B. This is a basic formula. A and B are disjoint set. And another one is called a universal set. How to define the universal set? This is a basic idea. Already you studied the set theory in the 10th standard book. This general one is universal set, and this is a and this is a B. Okay, this is a set and this is a B set. There is no common element, therefore A intersection B is empty. Okay, A intersection B is empty. Suppose another format. So it is a formula here. This is a universal set. Then you draw the A and B set. Intercept means the common element is there means this is called a intersection B. This is called a intersection B, and this element A and this set is B. Therefore, this overall intersection common element is called a intersection B, and this diagram is not that A union B. This diagram is not that A union B, and the previous diagram is known that A and B are disjoint. Previous diagram is known that A and B are disjoint. Okay, this is a two diagram. And how to find the basic formula and how to solve the corresponding problem. It's a very important idea. Okay. In this question, maybe maximum 8-mark question maybe is there in the university question. So I solved one problem in this section. Maybe easy idea. Okay. What is the question? Here, find the number of integer between between 1 to 250. Okay, 1 to 250 that are not divisible by that are not divisible by any of the integers integer 2, 3, 5 and 7. Okay, what is a question? Very important idea. So a number is not divisible between the value 1 to 250. The number 2, 3, 5 and 7. I using here what is a value, what is a b value, what is a c value. Okay, that's a very important set formula. The previous formula only I given only two set. What is the formula? N of a union b. Suppose it's a dependent. Suppose a dependent means n of a union b equal to n of a plus n of b minus n of a intersection b is true. Okay, here only two elements. Suppose more than two elements, what is the formula? More than two elements, so what is the formula? Here, because here using 2, 3, 5 and 7 is there. Therefore, what is the formula here? Very important one. You know the formula n of a union b. Suppose the number of 2 in the divisible by 2, number of divisible by 3, number of divisible by 5 and number of divisible by 7 element between the values. Therefore, total here using a, here using b, here using c, here using d. Therefore, n of a union b union c union d equal to, what is the result here? N of, here n using
யூனியன் போட மறந்துட்டீங்க சார். C அப்புறம் யூனியன் போட மறந்துட்டீங்க.
Okay, thank you. C union D. Okay, so this n can be written as already I'm told this two line concept, two line inside the value. Therefore, the cardinality or number of a plus number of b plus number of c plus number of d. This is the first one. Next is the combination of 2. Next is the combination of 2 means using minus bracket, put that combination of 2. What is the combination of 2? A intersection b plus, because minus will take common, therefore plus a intersection c. Okay, and the next one number of a intersection d plus, okay, a is over, now we want to consider b intersection c, b intersection d, b intersection c plus b intersection d and plus next c intersection d, next c intersection d. This is the first one. And next you want to consider that third one. Therefore, minus means alternate sign changed. First plus, next minus. So next you want to put that plus sign. Plus. So it's a cardinality of number of, that means number of three set concept. A intersection B intersection C. Okay, A intersection B intersection C. What is the next element? A intersection B intersection D. This is second element. A intersection B intersection D. We want to picture that A also, eliminate B. Therefore, A intersection C intersection D. Last one. A intersection C intersection D. Okay. And what is the next formula? Any idea? Any idea?
A intersection C.
Yeah,
C
yeah.
intersection D.
So next one, B intersection C intersection D. Okay. Now also same, C intersection D intersection A is already done this work. Therefore, up to third combination is over. And the last combination, so alternation sign. Please mute for yourself. Here plus sign, here plus sign, and here also minus sign, here plus sign. Now using minus sign. the combination of 4 term. 4 term is only single value A, intersection B, intersection C, and intersection D. Okay, this is the fourth one. This is the overall result for the 4-set formula union concept. Now you want to consider that. What is the next idea? Next idea, very important one. What is the next idea meaning? So already I'm told A is determinant of A is number of divisible possible 2, and B is number of possible by 3, and C is number of possible by, what is that, 5, 5, and D is number of possible divisible by 7. Then what is the idea of this one? A intersection B is divisible by both 2 and 3, is correct? Is divisible by both 2 and 3. Then A intersection C ma, any idea? A intersection C means 2 and 5, both divisible by 2 and 5, and the cardinality of A intersection D means is divisible by 2 and 7. 2 and 7. This is the first concept. And also second way, B intersection C. B intersection C means is divisible by 3 and 5. Is divisible by 3 and 5. And C, B and intersection D. Next, B intersection D means is divisible by, what is divisible by 3 and 7. So next, last one in the combination of two concept, C intersection D is also divisible by 5 and 7. Similarly, we can define the three division concept. A intersection B intersection C means the element common divisible by 2, 3, 5. The remaining set is also same idea you want to define. And the last one is also A intersection B intersection C intersection D is also is divisible by 2, 3, 5, 7 up to what number? 1 to 250. Up to 1 250, this condition is satisfied. Okay, how to find the first part? How to find the first part? How many elements is divided? That's a very important. Cardinality of A, that means number of A can be written as, this is called a greatest integer. This is called a greatest integer. 1 to 250. How many elements values is there? How many elements is there? 1 to 250 now. How many elements is there? Total number of elements ma?
250, sir.
Yeah, very good. 250. Then the cardinality of A is 2. Then how much? 250 divided by 2.
125.
125. Suppose decimal values is there means, or suppose decimal values is there means you want to eliminate only consider that integer value. This notation is called a greatest integer. Suppose decimal values is there means only consider the integer part, not consider part decimal part. Suppose 125.2 now you can written as only 125.2. Suppose 125.7 meaning eliminate decimal point, only write the integer point. Okay, therefore 125, not using 126. Suppose 125.7 means you can write only 125. Okay, directly eliminating decimal part. Directly eliminating decimal part. That is called a greatest integer. This notation is called a greatest integer. Very important one. So okay, next, the cardinality number of B, that is equal to 250 divided by 3. So what is the value? 250 divided by 3. How much? Any idea? What is the value? 83.3. We check that this one. 83.3. Therefore, what is the result? We are eliminating the decimal part. We are eliminating the decimal part. Therefore, end of result is 83. Is correct? Any doubt regarding this one?
No, sir.
Sir.
Thank you, ma. 250 divided by 5. Next value 250 divided by 5. Then what is the result? 50 is correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, cardinality of T. Okay, correct. Cardinality of D equal to 250 divided by 7. 250 divided by 7. Then what is the result? End of result?
Sir, 35.7.
35.71. Therefore, already I am told Any decimal values you can eliminate. That's a process of the greatest integer, that is equal to 35 only. Is correct?
Yes, sir.
But say next work. Next works can be written as the coordinate of A intersection B. The coordinate of A intersection B. Then what is the result here? 250 is divisible by 2 and 3. 2 and multiplication. Already I told and meaning multiplication and R meaning addition. Already I am told in the first unit also. Therefore 2 into 3. 2 into 3. So how much ma? 250 divided by 6. 250 divided by 6. What is the value? Huh? 250 divided by 6? Hello?
41.6, sir.
Yeah, okay, you will take that 41 only. Next A intersection C, that is equal to 250 divided by A is 2 and C is 5. Is correct? 10 of
25, sir.
25. Okay. So what is the next? A intersection B is done D. Then what is the result? 250 divided by 2 into 7. 2 into 7. Directly you eliminate decimal part only
17,
to.
sir.
Okay, 17. Very good. 17 is correct. Similarly, we can find the next part. P intersection B intersection C. Coordinate of P intersection C. That is equal to 250 divided by 3 into 5.
Sir, 16. 16.66.
Okay. Only consider the integer part. Not taking a decimal part. Next value is B intersection D. Common multiplication. Therefore, 250 divided by, what is the result? 3 into 7.
7.1, sir. 7.
B intersection T pa 3 into 7 pa 3 into 7 21. 21 is getting 11, not per 7.1. Please check that.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
C, okay, C intersection T. Next one, C intersection T, that is equal to 250 divided by 3 into 7. Now, sorry, 5 into 7. Now using 5 into 7, not per 3 into 7, 5 into 7. That result is 7. That result is 7. Is correct?
Yes, sir.
Now using third combination. What is the third combination? Determine, that means cardinality A intersection B intersection C. Number of values equal to 250 divided by 2 into 3 into 5. What is the result, Ra?
Sir, 8.33. 8.
Okay, super. Next, A intersection B intersection D. That is equal to 250 divided by 2 into 3 into 7. That is equal to 43. 6 into 43. 43.
6 into 42, sir.
Hey, what is end up result? Divided by 250 divided by
5.9,
yeah,
sir.
yeah. 5.9 means only using the 5 only. So next result, combination of 3. Next 3. B intersection C intersection D. Then what is the result, ma? 250 divided by 3 into C value 5 into 7.
3.5, sir. 3, sir.
Yeah, 3. And what is the last one? 4 combination. A 4 combination. 4 combination. A
sir,
intersection
B, C,
D.
D.
Intersection.
B and E intersection D. C intersection D.
Yeah, it's completed. Okay, wait.
Sir.
Something mistake. Yeah. This result is 2 pa. In this result is 2. One more thing is there. A intersection C intersection D. A intersection C intersection D. That is equal to 250 divided by 2 into C value 5 into 7. What is the result? That is a 3. Now combination of all values. Now the combination of all value A intersection B intersection C intersection D, that is equal to 250 divided by 3 into 5 into 2 is also there. 2 into 5 into 7. 6 into 5 6 into 5 30 into 7 210. 210 is divided by only 1 is possible. Decimal place eliminate.
1.19 sir.
1.19 means therefore only using the 1 only. Okay. Now apply all result in this formula. Now apply all result using in this formula. What is the A value? எல்லாமே நோட் பண்ணிக்கிறீங்களா? A value, please note that. எல்லா வேலையும் நோட் பண்ணிங்க. What is A value? A is 2. Number of A. Number of B is 3. Number of C is 5. Number of D is note பண்ணியாச்சா? Very good. I move to the result. Therefore, the cardinality of A union B union C union D equal to A value. What is the A value?
2 sir.
Super. Plus cardinality of B. What is the B value? Color மாத்திக்கலாம். What is the B value?
3 sir.
3 sir.
Yeah. What is the C value?
5. அடுத்து 7 sir.
Okay. 7
Yes sir.
Next you want to put that minus. Minus is a 2 combination value. 2 combination value pa?
A intersection B equal to
41. Next correct. Next 25 correct. Plus 17.
sir ஒரே நிமிஷம் சார் மாறுது சார் வேல்யூ.
கேசவா மியூட் பண்ணிக்கிறியா? வேற யாரும்
இல்ல சார்
சவுண்ட் என்னமோ வெளிய
125 போட்டுருக்கோமே சார் இங்க.
எங்கமா?
125 னு ஒரு வேல்யூ போட்டுருக்கோம் சார்.
125
இந்த வேல்யூவா இல்ல அதுக்கு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கொடுத்த வேல்யூ?
125 எதுவும் இல்லப்பா. A intersection B is 41 25.
இல்ல சார் ஏக்கு சார் ஏக்கு
25 னு போட்டுக்கறோமா?
எஸ் சார்.
ஓகே அதுதான் பார்க்கணும். A is 125. cardinality value 125 50 83 and 35. அப்ப வேல்யூ ஃபுல்லா சேஞ்ச் ஆகுதா?
ஆமா சார்.
சொல்லுங்க பார்க்கலாம். cardinality
5 plus 83 இது B
C value
ஒரு நிமிஷம் சார்.
What is the C value? C value 50 and T value 35 T value 35 is correct? Correct ma? Hello?
Yes.
So okay, now what is the combination of two values? 41 plus 25 plus 17 plus 16 plus 11 plus 7. Correct check பண்ணிக்கங்க please.
Yes sir.
Okay, next 3 combination value. So what is the next 3 combination value? A interest, yeah, 8 very good ma. 8 plus 5 plus 3 plus 2.
Yes sir.
Minus 1. Super ma. Minus 1. Now you want to add this overall value. All values separately we add. Also add this value and also add this value and also this one. This are 2 negative value and 2 positive value is there. Okay, 2 negative values is there and 2 positive values is there. This is also positive. Separately add and simplify. What is end of result? What is end of result ma? Please check that. 125 175 180 210 210 293 up to first party result is 293. Super. What is the bracket this value? What is the bracket of this value?
Sir, second one 135.
135
சார் இருங்க இதுக்கும் சேர்த்து வருது. ஒரே நிமிஷம்.
66 66, 76, 83, 93, 99,
117 தான் சார்.
99, yeah, 99, 110, 117. Yeah, 117 is correct, ma?
Yes, sir.
117, yeah. Thank you. So next loss, 8, 13, 18,
18 sir.
okay. Now work here, -1 is no problem. Therefore, what is the result here? We want to add this two. We want to add this one and this one, and also we add this one and this one. Then is the end of result is getting 118. 118 na, this is a plus 8. Therefore, this result 293 minus 100. That is equal to 193. Is correct? 193.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, this is a possible of A union, B union, C union, D. This is divisible. This is called a divisible of A, B, C or D. But in the question, not divisible. Not divisible means you want taking combination. Okay, complement. We want taking complement. Therefore, what is the De Morgan law? The complement of De Morgan law, n of u. Okay, n of u. That means cardinality of u minus complement result. Okay. N of u minus this result. Therefore, the not divisible is possible. N of u means 250. Correct? N of u means number of elements. 250 minus 193. 250 minus 193. Then what is end of result? What is end of result? 50. Here 7 is there. Therefore 57. Is correct?
Yes, sir.
This is what is a formula? De Morgan law. This formula is called De Morgan law. Already know De Morgan law. Therefore, apply this one is De Morgan law. The complement equal to n of u minus n of u. Otherwise, you know basic formula. Already you know basic formula. Wait. Two result is there. B of a plus b of a dash equal to 1 means, which implies that p of a dash equal to 1 minus b of a. This is a complement formula. This is a basic result. Also another result, n of a union b a dash, n of a union a dash equal to n of u. Okay. Using these two formula is same idea. This is a probability concept. This is a cardinality concept. Therefore, n of a union, you know, n of a plus n of a dash equal to n of u. That is implies that n of a complement equal to n of u minus n of a. This is a basic formula. The n of a replaced by 193 and n of u means total number of value. Therefore, all result completed means the end of result not divisible concept. So only the result is 57. 57.